welcome back to another video. And today we're playing BanBan thing again. If you haven't seen the first part video thing I did, go watch that. And if you have seen that, then keep watching this. But we left off with that bird thing, which is really freaking me out. Like, what is he doing? Oh, I don't want to. Oh, Opila bird mission? Oh, I don't want to get close to that thing. Drone, attack. Attack. Yes, attack. Attack him. Yes. That didn't do anything. I'm gonna get jump scared. No. Okay. Opila? Opila? Oh, I'm just gonna say Opila. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs. Why is 6 red? I don't know. To get your prize. What is this thing? Oh, there's like handprints on it. What? Oh, that is so creepy. No, I don't like you. I don't know. So I need to find some eggs. Like Easter egg? Oh! I found an egg. Why did I say it like that? Any other eggs? Egg in the tree. Oh, do I have to feed it? Oh, I can. What was that? It went down the... Oh. That was horrible. Gonna go over to the benches. Ooh, egg. I got the egg. Okay, now... Where are more eggs? Maybe in the slide? No. Up the slide. This is a pretty cool playground. I'd go here. Like a daycare thing. Other than the bird. I don't like the bird. Where my egg? Where's the egg? Maybe in here. No. Oh, an egg. You. Oh my god, that's so creepy. That is so creepy. Okay, what do you want me to do? What is it? There's nothing. There's nothing. Is there an egg in the tree? Oh, what's that? What's that? This is so creepy. It's just... Oh, wait, no. It's like down here. Okay. What happened? What did I do? Is the bird still there? Okay, good. Hello? I don't really know what that did. Hello? Hello? Egg? Wait, did I put enough in? Or do I have an egg on me? No, I don't have any eggs. To get your prize. I want my prize. What? I don't get it. Hello? Did I use you correctly? Hello? Where's me egg? Where's me egg? I have no clue what that did. I thought that would make an egg appear. Or something. I don't think there's any more eggs. What? This is not even fair. It's been 20 minutes of trying to find this egg. It doesn't exist. The egg doesn't exist. It doesn't even... Wait, what's that? What's that? Is that an egg? No, that's not an egg. Wait, oh my god. Was that there the whole time? The button? No way. No way that was there the whole time. I searched for like 20 minutes to find an egg. Don't summon an egg. Oh my god. That's what made the egg. Now I gotta give the bird the egg. Oh, is that enough? Can I have my prize now? How many, was anyone keeping track of how many eggs I put in? I don't really know. There's no more eggs. What does it want me to do? Oh, this one right here. Yes, now give me the prize, please. I put in 6 eggs. I did. What do you... Hello? What do you want? This bird is freaking me out. Dude. I put in all the eggs. No. No. Give me the egg. There's no more eggs. Still couldn't find any eggs. I don't know. Oh, it's lighting up like the... No, I can't do anything. What? I don't have... There's no more eggs. I counted 6. I put in 6 eggs. Oh, is that an egg? That's an egg. Oh, please be the last egg. This is taking too long. This video is probably 30 minutes long already. There we go. Are we done? Give me my prize. If you don't, then... Oh, what the? Is that a key card thing? He just barfed it up. Okay, then. I'm getting out of here. This is a creepy place. Oh, there's a yellow thingamajig. Can someone tell me who this is? Oh, it says BanBan. Oh, that it's called Garten of BanBan. That's the main character, I think. Can you break the glass? Oh no, it just hits the glass. Do I oh, I just have to do this. Now hit the button. Yeah. What's that? Hit that. Oh. Oh, is this like a naughty corner? Hit that. Hit the naughty corner. Oh! That just broke. Oh, okay. Wait, what did the button do? Did I even hit the button? Press. Oh, was that that was not always open. What's in here? A hammer and no. Distraction at 1. I don't know what that means. Distraction at 1. Captain Fiddles says, "Ooga booga, booga ooga." What type of language is that? This is like the scariest kindergarten. I can't believe this is a kindergarten. This isn't. Oh, the hammer, cause this. Is that? Can I go through? Why can't I? Do I have to break this? Oh. Yeah, I have to break that. It's the Opila bird. Opila bird says, "Laughter is the best medicine. Make sure to smile." That bird is creeping me out. Oh, what on earth? What are these footprints? Do I have a yellow key? I do. Oh, what's that? This one says emergency stop. This one says rabbity-bitty. Okay, go. Go. Whoa, what? you wish to be reincarnated back to life? Where am I? Where am I? Oh no, am I back at the start? No, I swear, if you make me do all that all over again. Oh my god, the batteries aren't... Oh, I'm gonna have to do that all over again. Okay, so while I was here collecting all the eggs again, I found this. Bring a friend day stickers. Caution, peel slowly. I don't know what that is, but okay. Okay, I'm back, and I'm finished all with the egg thing. You are dumb for making me eat... No, I didn't eat the eggs. For making you eat the eggs and me find the eggs. Not gonna lie, this took me like 10 years. And I don't know, like, it kicks you off the chairlift thing. Okay, this is really scary. Oh, what did I do last time? I hit this, right? Okay. Now that comes over. Oh, but I don't know. This doesn't work. It's like you have to... No, no, no. Oh, here we go. Yes. This is scary. Oh. Oh. I can't fall or else I have to restart all that again. Let me off, please. Yes. Yes, thank you. What was my... Oh, no. Okay, you were like... Wait, do I press this? You were pink. Yeah, does that work? Or is there like another option like purple? Orange, white, red. Oh no, you're pink. Pink, you're green, right? Yeah, this chunky guy says eat vegetables and stuff. He becomes green. I'm pretty sure you were red, right? And I don't... Well, why is there two... Oh no, this guy's the red one. Okay, so that's... I don't know which that... This guy was orange? I don't know, maybe he was... I think it was yellow, actually. I don't know what you were. You were like this color. But I don't think two people... Purple. Purple, that's... kind of, I think. I can barely remember. I don't know you. I think. Were you that, like pinkish? Like the bow tie was pink? Hold on. Was it, what are the color options? No, I don't think it was this. Can't be green. Oh, it might have been orange. Oh yeah, it was white. So then he was yellow. Would the door have opened by now? It probably would have. Hold on, maybe. No, no, no. Oh. Orange. What was that noise? What was that noise? What? No. Don't even think. Don't even think about it. I don't even know what that said. Pause to read, I guess. Please, no. Protect me, drone. Protect me. Where even is my drone? Please don't do this. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. Why do you walk so slow? Don't do this. Don't do this. You don't want to do this. We could be friends. I fed you all those eggs. No. Get away from me, bro. Get away from me. It's called social distancing. Where the chair. Get me on the chair. What's happening? Nothing's happening. The button. Drone, please. Hit it. Hit the button. No, go away, please. Where is it? Oh my god. What's happening? I think I just got a heart attack. I was not ready for that. If you want to part 3, leave a like. If this video gets 2 likes, I'll make a part 3. That was by far the scariest experience so far on this channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.